how do we use advanced materials to make vehicles more efficient, to make them lighter weight.
The design brief for this project was that we were to create a lightweight and more efficient vehicle centering around the year 2025 and highlighting plastics and how they would affect lightness and the efficiency of that vehicle. Our class was divided into exterior and interior. So some of the students chose to do an interior for this project and some chose to do an exterior.
The American Chemistry Council is actually a trade association representing large chemical companies, but for the Automotive Plastics Group, they are the makers of the raw material that is utilized to make plastic and composite components and parts for vehicles.
This business is not just about flashy sketches and hot renderings, it's about making a real car. And so it's essential for designers to understand how to communicate with people outside of the normal realm of the studio.
We want to increase fuel economy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which is also very good for the environment. So doing these types of projects we think is essential.
Working with ACC on this project was a huge benefit for me and for the class in that they see our ideas and help us to find the practical and reasonable solutions to those ideas and marry those ideas with real-world engineering solutions and even next-generation engineering solutions to bring life to the conceptual designs that we would develop. It brings a different flavor to the critique. Typically a design crowd is going to beat you up on a certain category of elements, whereas an engineering crowd, they're going to go underneath this thing and they're going to, that's a nice surface, but how did you make this work and what will this do and why did you pick that material?
The reaction was overwhelmingly positive from the sponsor. They put together some really great concepts. Some of the models turned out fantastic. The level of detail and craftsmanship. I was happy to hear that the level of polish in the presentations was at a higher level than they had seen before.
It never ceases to amaze me the ideas that we get from these young designers just kind of blow your mind. And the fact that they're using plastic and composite materials in order to do that makes it even obviously more exciting for us and for our member companies.
So when we get opportunities like this to work with engineers and be collaborative, it's a great opportunity for those two sides of the industry to really come together and create something that is going to be inspirational and innovative and really spawn something new for the industry to continue to grow forward and be the innovative industry that we all know and want it to be.